Wednesday everybody, happy hump day and welcome to your Wednesday motivational message. Today's question, because it is a question, is who are you accountable to? So the reason I ask this question is because I think when a lot of us set ourselves tasks, goals, dreams for the year or for a set period of time, we tend to make it a very solitude process. Like it's all about me and I am going to achieve this, and if I don't achieve this then it just is what it is, right? And I think that's probably why half of the things that we set ourselves we don't necessarily always achieve, because we're not accountable to anyone. If we don't get those things done, there's not always somebody who's gonna be telling you off or wagging their finger at you. And I think that when you're setting really ambitious targets or goals, it's really important to be accountable to somebody. Not just yourself, because honestly, yes, we are our biggest critics, but we are also our biggest, enablers. And I think there needs to be another party involved for you to feel like, okay, I have a responsibility to really make this happen. So I would recommend for you guys, if you are, working towards something this year, to pick an accountability partner. Now, that can be a member of family, a friend, a colleague, it could be anybody. It could be a spiritual leader, it could be somebody who you get on the train with every morning. It doesn't really matter who it is, but it just has to be somebody who's going to follow up with you to make sure that you're doing what you said you would do and keep you committed to it. My accountability partner is my mum. And we have a check-in once a week just to see how we're getting on and to make sure that we are actually doing the things that we've committed to doing for the year, as far as helping us to achieve our top headline goals. So be accountable to somebody. If not to yourself, then to somebody who you think is really going to push you and motivate you to get done what you said you would get done. I hope you guys have enjoyed that message. It's more of a tip than a message, if anything. If you are not subscribed, please make sure you click the red button and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you get the little box pop up whenever I upload these videos at 7 AM on a weekday morning. And please do share this video with your friends and family, and come and follow me on my socials, which I'll have linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's motivational message. Bye.